Good morning all, I'm Alan. I'm a school crossing supervisor, also known as a lollipop man. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a favourite breakfast of mine, poached eggs with smashed avocado on toast. Typically you'd pay $18 to $25 for this in a cafe. Today I'm going to show you how you can cook it at home for less than $3. All you need is 2 eggs, an avocado, a slice of bread, a teaspoon of salt, and some pepper for taste. Okay, let's get started. Let's put the bread into the toaster at your favourite setting and let that toast. While it's doing, I'm going to take my medium saucepan. I'm going to add a litre of water and a teaspoon of salt to give it some flavour. Now that's going to take a couple of minutes to boil. So while we're waiting for that, we're going to take our avocado, and I'm going to remove the flesh of the avocado and put it on a plate. The water's boiling. What we do is we swirl it around so it's going round and round and round, and we get our eggs, and we're going to crack them. 1, 2. And you can see how they're forming a natural ball as they go and they cook. Now that's going to take 2 minutes for it to cook. Now while that's happening, I'll get my toast. Yum, it's nicely cooked just like I prefer it. And we'll put the avocado and we're going to squash it onto the toast. Looking great. Nearly ready. Now we just got to let the eggs cook, which will take another minute. And I'm going to use a slotted spoon. Sometimes you get slotted spoons with slots, but I like the ones with holes, but they're still called slotted spoons. And we don't want them to overcook because we want the yolk to be nice and soft and runny. No, that's not quite ready yet. Right, the 2 minutes are up, so I'm going to turn the heating off and I'm going to lift my egg out, drain it with the slotted spoon and slip it onto the toast. I'll do the same with the second one and put just a little bit of pepper to season it and make it right. And there we have it, poached eggs on toast with smashed avocado. Yum. Would you like to try this?
Yes, please. Yum.